Are you paying for fast internet but still getting dead zones, lag, and dropped signals at home? Before you buy expensive extenders or a new router, try these simple router settings that can dramatically improve your Wi-Fi coverage. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for the latest tech news. First of all, try changing your Wi-Fi channel. Your neighbor's routers might be fighting with yours on the same channel. Download a free Wi-Fi analyzer app on your phone and see which channels are crowded. Then log into your router, go to wireless settings, and manually set the 2.4 GHz band to channel 1, 6, or 11. This reduces interference and gives you more stable connections in weak areas. You can also switch between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. 2.4 GHz gives better range and wall penetration and is perfect for dead zones far from the router. Meanwhile, 5 GHz is faster but doesn't travel as far. Remember to use Smart Connect so your router automatically picks the best band for each device. You can also turn on Beamforming. This hidden feature lets your router focus Wi-Fi signals directly towards your devices instead of broadcasting everywhere. For that, go to Advanced Wireless Settings and enable Implicit Beamforming. It can noticeably strengthen signal in dead zones for your TV, phone, or laptop. Next, disable power saving mode. Many routers have power saving modes that reduce signal strength to save electricity. Go into your router settings, switch from power saving or eco mode to normal mode, and set transmit power to 100%. This alone can push your signal further into weak spots. And if nothing works, reset your router. Press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. This often fixes weird coverage problems caused by old settings. Also, make sure your router is placed in a central open spot. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more useful tech tips.